Right now, your body is experiencing a chemical storm. Your heart rate just changed. Thousands of neurons fired. Why? Because you felt something watching this video. But here's what's crazy: that emotion you just felt? It happened before your brain even knew why. Your body decided how to feel before you did. Let me prove it to you right now. Your brain is playing a prediction game right now. It's guessing what you need before you even know you need it. That anxiety before a presentation? Your brain predicted social threat. That craving for pizza at 11 p.m.? Your brain predicted low energy. You think you're feeling emotions, but really, your brain is making bets about your survival, and the feelings are just the scoreboard. I'm Sarah, and today we're reverse engineering your emotions. Let's start with what they actually are, and I promise, it's weirder than you think. What emotions actually are. Here's something weird: you don't have an anger center in your brain. Or a happiness button. Scientists used to think emotions lived in specific brain regions, like fear lives in the amygdala. But brain scans proved that wrong. When you feel fear, your entire brain lights up in a unique pattern, like a fingerprint made of electricity. No two people's fear looks exactly the same. Your emotions aren't things you have, they're things your brain constructs on the fly, like a DJ mixing a new song every second. Think of it this way: emotions are your brain's predictions about what you need to survive. They're automatic responses involving your body, your thoughts, and your actions all firing at once. Your internal GPS system, constantly scanning and telling you whether you're safe, threatened, or need to make a move. How emotions actually work. Let me show you this in action. You're at a party. You see your ex across the room with someone new. In 0.3 seconds, boom. Amygdala fires. Cortisol floods your system. Your stomach tightens. Your palms start sweating. Your throat closes up. Your face flushes. All of this in 0.3 seconds before you even consciously register what you're seeing. Only now does your conscious brain catch up and you think, oh God, I feel jealous. But your body decided that 300 milliseconds ago. And look, I've been that person at the party. We've all been that person. And here's the fascinating part: now you have a choice. Do you leave? Do you approach? Do you grab another drink? The emotion already happened. But the action? That's up to you. This is happening constantly. You walk down a dark street, hear footsteps, boom, adrenaline floods your system before you even turn around. You get a text from someone you like, instant dopamine hit before you've read a single word. Your brain is running millions of these predictions every day, using every experience you've ever had to guess what's coming next and how you should feel about it. The Emotion Recipe Book. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists argued for decades about how many emotions exist. Some said 6. Others said 27. Some said thousands. But here's what they missed: emotions aren't separate things, they're ingredients that blend together. Think of them like primary colors. You've got your basics: happiness, sadness, fear, anger, disgust, surprise, but mix fear and anger and you get rage. Mix happiness and surprise and you get delight. Mix sadness and anger and you get betrayal. Your brain is like a master chef, combining these ingredients into infinite variations every single day. Take shame, for example. That's not a primary emotion, it's fear of rejection, plus sadness about yourself, plus disgust turned inward. That's why shame feels so complex and crushing. It's 3 emotions hitting you at once. And this is why you can feel multiple emotions at the same time. You ever ugly cry while laughing? That's joy and sadness blending. Ever feel excited but terrified about something? That's your brain running two predictions at once: this could be amazing and this could go wrong. And here's the beautiful part: there's no such thing as a bad emotion. Anger isn't your enemy, it's defending your boundaries. Anxiety isn't broken, it's trying to keep you safe. Sadness isn't weakness, it's processing loss so you can heal. Every single emotion, even the uncomfortable ones, is carrying information. The question isn't why do I feel this way? The question is, what is this feeling trying to protect? Quick challenge: name an emotion you felt today that you don't even have a word for. Like that weird relief when plans get cancelled. Or that anxious excitement before a first date. That guilty pleasure when your friend cancels and you're secretly relieved. Or that heart-drop feeling when you send a risky text and immediately regret it. Drop it below. Let's create names for the unnamed emotions together. I'm genuinely curious what you come up with. Here's the shift that changes everything: stop asking why do I feel this way, and start asking what is this feeling trying to protect? Your anxiety isn't broken, it's trying to keep you safe from real or perceived threats. Your anger isn't bad, it's standing guard at your boundaries. Your sadness isn't pointless, it's the evidence that you loved something, and that matters. Once you see emotions as allies instead of enemies, everything changes. You stop fighting yourself and start listening. So the next time you feel it, heart racing, palms sweating, thoughts spinning, don't fight it. Pause. Ask what it's protecting. Because your emotions have been trying to help you your whole life. Maybe it's time to finally hear what they're saying. If this clicked for you, hit like so more people can see it. And subscribe because we're diving deeper into emotional intelligence next week. See you then.